Good morning, students. Today we are starting with our exercise 9.2. So our question number 1 is find the product of the following monomial. So we have to multiply these terms. So first is your 4 comma 7p. So we have to multiply this 4 with this 7p. So 4 7 the 28 and p as it is. So this is your answer, that is 28p. Second part is your minus of 4p into 7p. If there is a one term in minus sign, so the net answer is also in minus. So minus of 4 7 the 28 and p into p, so there are two p, so it will become p square. Third part is minus of 4p into 7 of pq. One term in minus, so the answer is minus. 4 into 7 is 28. So the power of p will become p power 2 and q as it is. Fourth part is, that is 4p cube into minus of 3p. So the answer, net answer will be minus 4 3 the 12 and p total power will become 3 plus 1, that is 4. Last part is 4p into 0. Something into 0 is always 0. So answer is 0. Next is find the area of the rectangle with find the area of rectangle with following pairs of monomial as length and breadth. So one term is given as length and other terms is given as breadth. So we know that the area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. So here the length is p and breadth is q. So the answer is pq square units. So first answer is pq square unit. That is your answer. Second part, we know that area is length into breadth. So length is 10 m, breadth is 5n. So the answer is 10 into 5 is 50 mn square units. So answer is 50 mn square unit. In third part, you have length is 20 x square and breadth is 5 y square. So you will obtain 100 x square y square square unit. So similarly you can do these two parts also. So next is your complete the table of the product. So in this table, this first term is multiplied by this first term. So 2x is multiplied by 2x, you will obtain 4x square. In second, you will obtain this 5 minus 5x is multiplied with this term. So minus 5xy multiply, sorry, minus 5y is multiplied by 2x, you will obtain minus of 10xy. So answer is minus of 10xy. So next is your 3x is 3x square is multiplied by this 2x. So the answer will become 6x power 3. So this is your 6x power 3. So next is minus 4xy is multiplied by this. Next is 7x square y is multiplied by this, and next is minus 9x square y multiplied by this. So again, so in second column, this is multiplied by this second term. So 2x into minus 5y, you will obtain minus of 10xy. So answer is minus of 10xy. And next, this is multiplied by this. Minus into minus is always positive. So 25y square is answer. In next, this is multiplied by this. In next, again, so all the terms are multiplied by these terms and answer will be written in these columns. So the net answers are, these are the table. So you can fill this table easily. So next is obtain the volume of the rectangular boxes with length, breadth and height. So volume is length into breadth into height. So volume of a rectangle is length into breadth into height. So if we have to multiply both the terms, that is 5a into 3a square and last term is 7a4. So first multiply the numerical term. 5 into 3 15, 15 into 7, that is 105. So the total power of a become, so the power of a is 4, power of a is 2, power of a is 1. So 4 5 6 7. So the total power will become 7 and this is your cubic unit. In square, that is square unit, but if there are three terms, then you can write cubic unit, 105 cubic unit. Second part again same, 2p multiplied by 4q multiplied by 8r, 8r. So numerical term, 4 to the 8, 8 8 the 64, 64 pqr cubic unit. So that is your answer. So 64 pqr cubic unit is your answer. So again, third part you can multiply, and in fourth part you can also multiply. Fourth part we can try. So a into 2b into 3c, so you will obtain 6abc cubic unit. So that is your answer. So next we will do in our next video.